Welcome back to another episode of Does What It Says. And on this episode, you are going to have the best cheese on toast you will ever taste in your life. So, prepare yourself. Go out and get all these ingredients from the kitchen. In fact, go into the kitchen. Stay there. And make the world's best cheese on toast. So, chop your cheese up in chunks, just as I've done here. And then you want to chop up your tomatoes. Once you chop your tomatoes up, you want to grab your caramelised red onion and then get your toast. And what I'm doing with my toast is I'll whack it in the toaster first just to get both sides done. And then start laying out your tomatoes, 4 on each bit of toast, just like that. Want to warm up the tomatoes, so whack it back underneath the grill. And once you've got them tomatoes nice and warm, be careful not to burn the toast at this stage. And start sticking on some of your caramelised red onion. Plenty of that on, and then once you've got the red onion on, just lay some cheese on top, just like this. Make sure you cover everything. You want to pay attention, cover the corners, because otherwise you're going to burn it when you actually put them under the grill and cook this lot. So make sure you cover all the corners of the bread, or at least allow enough cheese to melt over everything. So once you've got your cheese on, grab your Worcester sauce, or Worcester, as loads of people say, but it's actually called Worcester. So get your Worcester sauce, sprinkle loads of that on, and stick them back underneath the grill for about 3 minutes. And once you've cooked these bad boys, it should look something like this. And oh my god, are you about to eat the best cheese sandwich in the world? A little bit of salt and pepper and some parsley, and you'll be eating one of these just as I'm going to, because I can't stand it anymore. I've got to eat it. So I'll put the recipe back up on the screen one more time for you. And stay cheesy, guys. Enjoy your cheesy toasties, and I'll see you on the next one.